Welcome back to Learning Keyboard with Demoz School of Music. Your teacher is Noel, a professional keyboardist and accomplished musician. If you missed the previous video on scales and arpeggios, and how to build them into your practice, go ahead and watch it now.
Hello, welcome back to another episode. I'm Noel from Demoz School of Music, and today we are gonna lightly touch something called dynamics. Now, as a pianist, you might have come across words such as dynamics, articulation. Today, we are gonna just touch up on dynamics. Now, what is that? Dynamics is basically the louds and softs. So when you hear a song, right? So let's say, for example, I'm playing something like you see how that is very soft, right? And melodious and smooth. Now, how do you get like if there's a build part coming in the song, you would tend to get it louder, something like so when you go from that soft, smooth, gentle section into this loud section, this is all dynamics is. The dynamic control of how a song breathes within, how it goes from soft to loud, how it flows around. So most music is built dynamically, like older music or even modern day music. You would see there will be always a section that's softer than the other section. The chorus is always like uplift, but the verse is slightly down. So today I would like to just teach you two dynamic meters, and that would be one is called piano and the other one is called forte. Don't mistake piano for being the actual piano. No, in this case, piano means soft. So in Western classical music, you would see a small P written somewhere or a big, like a small letter F written somewhere, right? So P means piano and that F means forte. So when I say piano, I'll be soft, like that. When I say forte, I'll be loud. And piano. This is piano, just gentle. And forte. Piano. Forte, right? And I would just like to take a moment to tell you, if you have a keyboard that supports touch sensitivity, if your keyboard or if you're on a piano, you have that dynamic control where depending on how much force you use on your fingers to press a key, it's either soft or loud. So where can you apply this? Apply it anywhere you want. If you're practicing scales, then use it there. Practice a scale in soft piano. Go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Make sure that you're still accenting, right? Don't make it too much, just make it a little bit, right? Practice also in forte. Cool. Every keyboard and piano has a different dynamic curve. What do I mean by dynamic curve? How loud it can go and how soft it can be. Every piano has that. Just in case you don't know how soft your piano goes, just gently press it down. Like, just press any key. Either a triad or a single key also matters. Like, it doesn't, there's not much difference when you do it. But as a triad, if you're playing, maybe you'll be softer compared to a single key. So just make sure you're using one of them, not both of them. So maybe stick to one note and go as soft as you can. That would be too soft. This is the soft you have to be, where you can hear that, but it's a little faint. What is loud? Just hit it. It's as simple as that. Just hit that. That would be loud. So have an equal energy. That is what matters. Have equal energy on all your fingers. Build your finger muscles and control it. So if you can be loud on your thumb, make sure you're loud on your next finger. If you can be loud on that, make sure that's transfer to the next also. Have equal strength on all fingers. That is your end goal when you do dynamics. So practice your scales and your arpeggios at forte and piano. Cool. And with that, we're done with this lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourself. Do like and share this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye.